our channel we are going to see how to prepare KFC style chicken. So for KFC style chicken I have taken chicken over here, that is I have taken just 4 or 5 pieces. I am showing in a small quantity, we can try it with a large quantity. I have taken ketchup, soya sauce, salt, ginger garlic paste and chili powder. Now since I have taken less amount of chicken, I am adding 1/4 spoon of ginger garlic paste. I am taking a small spoon over here for the measurement. When you are using lots of chicken, you can use it with a big spoon. I have taken 1/4 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Then 1 whole spoon of soya sauce. This is actually I am doing in a short process. This is just we have to marinate the chicken and let it for just 15 minutes. That is enough. But if we want to do it in another way, if we don't have soya sauce and ketchup and stuffs, I'll tell you another way for that. Now I'm adding 1 spoon of tomato ketchup. Instead of this, we can take buttermilk of 1 cup and add the spices like chili powder, turmeric, salt and stuffs which we want. Don't add ginger garlic paste if you're taking buttermilk. Just add the rest of the things and put in the chicken and marinate it overnight. Then only you will get a good flavor. Now I'm adding salt and red chili powder. So this I am doing like this because it will take only 15 minutes to marinate this. We don't have to soak it for long, but the taste will be so good. If we want, like if we don't have this soya sauce and stuff, then we can do it with buttermilk also, but you have to soak it overnight. Now I'll show you how we have to give the chicken a good mix and marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm taking half cup of maida and 2 to 3 spoons of corn flour, and to this I am adding half spoon of chili powder just for a spiciness. It's just optional. If you want, you can add black pepper also. And I am adding little bit of salt and give it a good mix. Now we have to take water in a bowl and keep it aside. For this I'll show you 2 methods. We can do 1 step coating and we can do double layer coating also. Now for the first 1 layer coating, take the chicken, marinated chicken, and dip it in the flour and spread the flour eventually full over the chicken. Now take the marinated chicken and dip it into the water. Just leave it for 1 to 2 seconds, and now we can take the chicken out and again coat it in the flour. We have to coat the flour very well. It should be in all places of the chicken. So coat it really very well and keep it aside. This is 1 layer coating. So you have to coat it really very well. And now we can keep it aside. Now I'll show you the double layer coating. The same way, first we have to coat it with the flour and then dip it in the water for 2 seconds and again take it and dip it in the flour and coat it really very well again, and then dip it again for 2 seconds in water, and after 2 seconds we can take the chicken and again marinate it with the flour. This will be double layer. We will get double thickness of the crunchiness and stuff. It is very tasty. Please do try. Which one you like, you can try both of them, and which you prefer you can do. Both are very tasty. I usually do the double coating. Now we can coat all the chickens and keep it aside. Now we can fry it in the oil. We can add lots of oil and deep fry it also, but over here I am doing just a shallow fry. See, now the chicken has been roasted very well. It should turn in this color. See how crispy and crunchy it is. Now we can take the chickens out. Please do try it at your house. It's very tasty and very crispy. We need not go to restaurants to buy these kinds of chicken. We can make it in our house in very few time. Almost all the items are available at home. Please do try it. Hope so you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this, video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified for our new videos. Stay home, stay